Sunday morning, and we're out here with the Ultrix, the Beefy Ultrix 600, and we're gonna do a little speed run. I'm gonna take it down to the elementary school down there, basically, turn it around, fly it back as fast as it can, then try it in manual mode and fly it back. See how fast it'll go. And this is how fast it'll go straight under its own power, not in a dive, nothing fancy. I'm sure it'll go much faster in a dive, but let's see how fast it is and just on its own power. All right, let's go.